Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing, a flip through and a first impression of the Druidcraft Tarot. Now this one is the author is Philip and Stephanie Carr-Gomm, and illustrated by Will Worthington, I believe. If you can hear my Shih Tzu, he's just beside me, so just don't mind him. He wants to play around and he wants to be a part of the videos each and every time. Alright, so it says in here, the Druidcraft Tarot, use the magic of Wicca and Druidry to guide your life. It's published by... I actually forgot who published it. St. Martin's Press. I think this one is by I forgot. I might need to take a look later. It says here St. Martin's Essentials. Anyway, it retails for $27.99. And it's heavy. It's kind of heavy though. Alright, so it says in here, let the Druidcraft path show you the way. Let me just remove the plastic first so we could proceed with the review of the guidebook and the Flipthrough as well. So give me a second. I'll just have to remove the plastic. Oh, there you go. I apologize for that. So, ooh. Who loves it when they do an unboxing of their tarot cards or oracle cards? Right, so it's really heavy. Let me just throw away the plastic. Okay, so at the back it says in here, as a time when we seek a closer connection with the natural world, this beautiful deck invites us to celebrate the earth and the rhythm of her seasons. Combining the two great streams of Western pagan tradition, Wicca and Druidry, Philip and Stephanie Carr-Gomm, together with artist Will Worthington, have created a tarot of extraordinary depth and relevance that can help guide and illuminate your life. So the Druidcraft Tarot's powerful images have emerged from a vast store of teachings and storytelling rooted in our ancient past. Use them as gateways to your inner spiritual world and deepen your knowledge of yourself and of the earth. Let the natural wisdom of Druidcraft bring you insight and inspiration for the life issues that you face today. So this box contains 78 cards plus 192-page guidebook. Wow. It really feels heavy, guys. Really heavy. So it's a large box. I'm not sure if this is the largest one that I have, but some of my tarot from Schiffer are this big and heavy as well. So alright, so it comes with a sturdy box, but I'm gonna have a hard time pulling this out. Yeah. Okay, I don't really know how to pull this one off, but give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. So I just had to like really pull it hard from there. Oh, see, it's kind of hard. Maybe it's because it's a bit, yeah, I think that's the reason why I can't pull it off, because of this part. Alright, so we have here, by the way, at the back of the box, sample images, which is nice, and a sample of the one you can see inside the guidebook. And that's actually a plus for me, because at least you'll know how it explains. Not sure if you can see that. Right. How you can like how you'd know I mean how you'd see the guidebook as well. So alright, going back to the book, or yep, this is the guidebook. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is the guidebook now. See, it's really huge cards. Oh yeah, they are huge cards. I wonder how I'm gonna shuffle them. I have very small hands. Alright, so this is the guidebook, and let's see here. So we have nothing on the back. You have here the front page. Then this was copyrighted 2000 and help me find it. Oh, there you go, 2017. First edition was 2004. Now this edition copyright was 2017. Okay, so this one is a bit larger, I think. I know the first edition was smaller, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have the table of contents right here, and it says here the outer mysteries, inner mysteries, how to view or how to use the cards. Alright, let's proceed with it. Now here's the introduction, origin of the tarot. We have the tarot for Wicca and Druidry, sources of inspiration, Pythagoras and numerology. This is a whole lot to read. It's very informative. Yeah. Alchemical Wedding, story of Ceriduan and Taisia. Wow. Cycle of Seasons and the Mystery of Time. This is a nice guidebook, guys. I mean, it's very, there's so much information. Yeah, so much information about tarot, Druidry, Wiccan, I guess, as well. Court cards. This is a helpful guidebook, really. Alright. 4 elements, how to insert the court cards. The princesses. It says about the princesses, which is, sorry, I didn't know you can see it. So we have here the princesses. Princess of Cups, Princess of Pentacles. Then we have Princess. So Prince of Wands, Prince of Swords, the Queens. So these are the court cards, and they have the meaning or about the king, queens, page, knight. Then you have keywords right over here. Keywords, and then the meaning, and then the reverse meaning as well. So that's a plus. At least you have reverse meanings for those who are reading reverse cards. And then after that, we proceed with the pip cards. So pip cards is, so for the major arcanas, we also have the keywords, the meaning, and then the reverse meaning. Sorry about that. My Shih Tzu really wants to play with me right now. So, now we proceed with the court cards are okay, are done. The minor arcanas is done. So let's proceed with the major arcanas. The Fool. So it's the same thing like the court cards. Oh, it's kind of different because there's like significance. So this one, for example, we have, oops, I'm sorry. Let's try first with the High Priestess. So we have here image of the card. Then we have the keywords about the High Priestess, and then the significance of the High Priestess, the meaning of the card, the reverse meaning of the card, and the keywords. There are oh yeah, so you also have the keywords, by the way, for the reverse meanings, which is nice, really nice. I mean, this is so far I would probably say from all the decks that I have, tarot decks that I have, this so far has been the most informative one, I think. So right, so how to use the cards, then reverse cards, and then we have the spreads as well. We have the Owen spread, the lunar spread, pentagram spread, hexagram, the spirits of the circle spread. Oh, that's a lot. This is a lot of spreads. And then you have sample readings to help you out. This is really nice. I'm gonna have fun reading this guidebook. So, alright. Now let's proceed with the cards, with the flip through. And it just comes with a pull. There's no ribbon, so you have to just take them off. It's split in two. So let's remove the plastic first, and then we are gonna proceed with the flip through. Let me just put this aside first. Alright. These cards are really huge. Let me just take one that I have that would be close to this. I'll have to check which one is bigger. Alright, so I have in here a what's this? A Blue Angel Oracle. This is the Kuan Yin Oracle, and it has the same height. Yeah, it has the same height as the Blue Angel Oracle cards. However, it's the Blue Angel, it's wider rather. Right, so I had to pause a while because my dog's inside my room right now. I had to let him in. Right, so right, these are huge cards, huge tarot cards. So some from what I've seen has trimmed their cards for those that don't want to use a very large size, but I would really prefer the original ones though. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna have a problem with this because my hands are small. So the back looks like this, and it's a beautiful brown colored background with the Celtic symbol, which is really nice. And it's let's see, yep, it is reversible because you have both copyrighted on the same same place. All right, so let's go proceed with the flip through right now. I think I had it the wrong way. Oh, no. I have it correct, but the major arcanas are the last ones on the second card. I mean, the second set of cards. So let me just pull them first. Okay, so we'll go with the flip through right now. So this is the Fool, and the cards, by the way, are thick. I think, yeah, they are thick. And oh, that's my beagle. He was drinking water. All right, so it's thick. I'm not gonna have a problem with this, but maybe just be careful with, of course, shuffling the cards. So it's laminated, not matte. So we have the Fool, Magician, I was sure this was no, this is the Lady or the Empress. Some of the titles have been changed according to Wiccan or George, I think. So the High Priest or the Hierophant. And we have the Lovers. Sorry for the nudity. The Chariot. And then we have the Strength card. The Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. We have the Justice card. Can you see clearly the picture? Right. And we have the Hangman. Again, pardon the nudity. You didn't know that one. Then we have Death. The Ferilt. Or I think this is a Temperance card. Then we have Cernunnos or the Devil. And then the Tower. The Star. The Moon. This is a great Sun card. Birth. The World. I will proceed with the minor arcanas. It's Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, and it's also based from the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot, so it's not much of a difference. If you're already familiar with the Rider-Waite-Smith cards, then this one will just be easy for you to interpret. But for the new beginners out there, or people who's starting to learn tarot, I think the guidebook is really helpful for you guys. And this is also a recommendation for you. I mean, this deck is a recommendation for you to get if you're just starting out tarot. I mean, the images, the artwork is clear. They're not too complicated. And in fact, like, it's even better because the illustration is far better than the simplicity of the Rider-Waite-Smith, the original ones. This one has more like a very lifelike. It's a drawing, but it's more livelier than the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith cards, or the original ones for that matter. So if you would like to pause or to take a look at the cards longer, you can just click your pause button. These are really huge cards, and I just want to finish this flip through as fast as I can, because my dogs are already starting to like touch me and would like to play with me. So right, it's based from the Rider-Waite-Smith anyway. There's not much difference though. So this is a beautiful court cards, you see, guys. I mean, can you hear my Shih Tzu? Yeah. See, they're calling me to play with them, and they're really almost the same as the Rider-Waite-Smith, guys. So really not much of a difference. And this is a perfect Two of Swords artwork as well. I mean, the woman is not facing it's not facing you if you're gonna hold the card, but this is a different it's close. It's the same as the Rider-Waite-Smith, but the only difference is the woman is facing the other way. So then we have Three of Swords. I've seen this symbol with Celtic. I just can't recall what it's called. I just read about it. Help me out, guys, if you know. But yeah, this is one of like a Celtic symbols rather. So next is the Four of Wands. 5. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing because I just realized my nails are brown shades, so it matches again the deck that I'm doing a review again. The synchronicity of everything that's going on. Alright, Ace of Pentacles. Now we're down to the last suit. Oh, sorry. All the treasures are in there for greediness, generosity, Harvest, Seven of Pentacles. These are really easy to interpret. The cards are really simple. They're comfortable to read out for yourself and for others. So it's not really much of a complication. And the last so I'm gonna proceed with the I knew I was gonna have a problem with this, so let me just riffle shuffle on the sides. 1 second. Sorry about that. So I'll riffle shuffle on the sides because Like I said, it's gonna be hard for me to shuffle it. Usually because these cards are really huge. So if you don't want to trim them out, you can just shuffle them like this. Or if you're gonna do it overhand, yeah, it's somewhat hard for me as well. So you might as well, like, you know, overhand shuffle it like this vertically. But anyway, that's just how it is for me. So let's move quickly and draw a card right now. That should be enough shuffling. And let's draw one card and read from the guidebook. Alright, so this is the Nine of Cups. Alright, Nine of Cups. Tens and the nines. So it says in here, okay, for the Nine of Cups, alright, the keywords are contentment, achievement, realization of dreams. And then for the meaning, alright, finding this card in your reading suggests you may have realized a dream or fulfilled a long-held wish. Life feels good and it is time for enjoyment and celebration. You may be experiencing a period of great happiness and emotional satisfaction. Perhaps you have just become a grandparent or are feeling content with life in some other way. You might be hosting a social event or family gathering, full of feelings of warmth and conviviality. But it is possible that in the midst of this, you have forgotten to invite someone or lay a place for them at the table. Someone may be missing from your life or may be feeling strangely lonely despite the situation. In general, the card suggests a full and rewarding emotional life. You could well have been through difficulties in the past, but now close relationships and warmth abound. Your imaginative and creative life might be flourishing, with much inspiration and a strong feeling of being connected to the source of life and all of nature. Life is treating you well, and any obstacles you do encounter will be easily handled. However, although success brings contentment, there is also the danger of complacency, smugness, overindulge, or even laziness. So make sure you appreciate the experiences you are going through and the blessings you are receiving. So, alright, this is a really nice guidebook, guys. So, for those who are starting out again, learning tarot, this is a good deck, a great deck indeed for you, and as well as for pros, to be honest. I mean, the imagery is really nice, but maybe if you're just gonna have to read it for yourself, or for other people, you may just want to warn them about a little nudity in the cards, a little vulgarity on the cards. So this is how the Druidcraft Tarot is. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And also, if you how do you say this, if you already have this deck with you and you've already used it, please let me know. Share with me your experiences using this deck, and yeah, you can share stories, you can share if it resonated with you and with your readings, with yourself or with others. So at least it's really glad, to know or to find out how the decks work out for others or how they are not working out for others. So at least you'll know the difference between each person's usage of the cards. So Again, this is a Druidcraft Tarot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget as well to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out any videos that I'm going to upload. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Till my next unboxing or till my next video. Bye!